Defining fact and opinion. A fact is a statement that can be verified. An opinion is an expression of belief about something. Facts rely on observation or research and generally involve the use of empirical data and information. In many cases, facts also involve our physical senses, like hearing, seeing, smelling, touching, or tasting. Opinions are based on assumptions that cannot be proven and reflect somebody's views, beliefs, personal perspectives, or values. In a news story, all opinions must be quoted from a source, and sources from both sides should be cited. Even a statement like "it is too hot outside" can be an opinion. Some people prefer hot weather, whereas others do not. Opinions cannot be verified. Fact clues. The research confirms. The doctors recently discovered that COVID-19 is airborne. COVID-19 is. According to source, is usually followed by a fact. But it can also be followed by an opinion statement. You need to know your source. The source of a fact has to be credible. It cannot simply be your mother or your relatives unless they are a recognized authority. Opinion clues. I think, I believe, I feel, in my opinion, some people think, my friends think, my parents think, some people claim, he or she claims. Always/never, awful/wonderful, beautiful/ugly, better/best/worst, delicious/disgusting, enjoyable/horrible/favorite. For/against, good/bad, inferior/superior, oppose/support, terrible/unfair, worthwhile. Facts. Something that can be verified. Based on research or observation. Verification possible. Universal. Not debatable. Has power to influence. Opinion. A belief or judgment about something. Based on personal view, cannot be verified. Verification not possible. Varies from one person to the next. Debatable. Has power to influence.